Greetings from Drone and Tech Review. I have a very important bulletin for you guys today, a public service announcement that there is a scam website that is pretending to be DJI, and they are going to take your money and leave you high and dry. Okay, DJI.com, we all know that they stopped shipping their drones in the US market, but it kind of surprised me. One of my commenters said, "Hey, they're open now. I was able to buy one." And I'm like, okay. And I looked on my phone, searched for a Mini 4 Pro, and boom, website showed up, and it was right there. It said DJI-US.com. It looked all legitimate. I went all the way to the shopping cart, and they said everything's in stock, and I can buy it right now. Okay, so I went to my desktop and got to the DJI website that looked almost identical, and everything was out of stock. And I said, "What is going on here? What is going on?" And it turns out the one that I got on my mobile phone was a scam website. It is called DJI-US.com. So I'll show you right here what we're talking about. We will walk through it. And it came up on a search. It came out on some Facebook ads. And it's got the DJI store. So why it's a scam is it pretends to look like the DJI website. I've been to the DJI website many times, and it looks identical. They're using the same videos. They stole the same layout and videos. DJI Action 5 Pro, which I know has been out of stock, and then I click on information. It says page not found. Okay, so this is a pretty good attempt at deceiving you, trying to deceive you into a place that you think you are, but it is just a fake website. But the scary thing is they are taking orders. They're taking orders, taking your money on Shopify.com, and they say, "Hey, it's going to be delivered sometime in September." So they're just on a money grab, I believe, and then they will leave everyone high and dry. Why do I think that they will not ship product? Because of a few things. They're pretending. They copy the DJI URL, DJI-US, and man, they're smart because it looks like the US website of DJI, and then everything looks the same, but using Shopify. And then I asked ChatGPT, our very trusty AI. You should use that, by the way, whenever you're in doubt. Deeper search than your Google. Is this a scam? So let me jump you there. And a very simple prompt: is DJI US a scam? And Scam Advisor says it has a moderate trust score of 62. That does not look good. And DJI says they are not an authorized reseller. Right there. How are they going to support it? How are they going to get product? It has a very strong scam pattern according to Mavic pilots. And then they won't accept PayPal because PayPal will issue refunds. And then there were some other red flags that they were using some very random email address when you try to reply to their email. So the return address when you try to return their email is camera1111 at outlook.com. Something very random and an unprofessional one. It says insert return address. So obviously, just a hack operation. It's the normal store is stored at DJI.com, and they are not selling any product because they can't get their product into the USA. They're being blockaded. So there's an unserved market of people who want drones, especially the new ones. They say they can get the Mavic 4 with the Hasselblad camera. They can get that new. There's a new DJI drone. It's the Osmo 360. They say they can get all that, and but they're not a reseller, and everyone's just up in arms. The newcomers, but really, guys, stay away from the site. Stay away from the site. It is red flags all around, and what they're doing is they're taking everyone's money, and they say in September you get your product, and lo and behold, poof, they'll just disappear. That I really want you guys to be aware of. So, DJI, a quick note on DJI, where are they? They are still have their store almost completely shut down in terms of drones. It says just notify me when available, and they are trying to get their lobbyist to look at the impending ban in December and say, hey, what do we need to do? There are no terms on what they need to do to get approval. No one's talking to them, so it's status quo. Their stuff's not available. All the new stuff. So we are just as consumers just in pain. But with scam websites like this, we are in great danger. So stay away from DJI-US.com. And if you have any experiences contacting them, if you ever got a product from them, please let us know in the comments. Thank you very much.